So, hello students once again, and this is a short video showing you that how you will upload your work and your assignments from the Google Classroom mobile application. So, first thing, when you open the Google Classroom app, you have to check that you are signed in with your MSB Institute email ID. And when you do that, you will see that all the classrooms will be shown on the dashboard. And the thing you will be seeing that on the right left hand corner, you will see a small red dot that you see. You have to click on that, and basically that what it means is you have so many unread notifications. So you have to go to notifications, and you have to check that what the teachers have posted, and you have to check each of the notification, and then you will be redirected. When you click on the notification, you will be redirected to the particular classroom to see what material has been posted by the teacher. So I am going back to notifications, and I'm going here, so it takes me to that particular class, and so on. And other than that, you can you can also see, go to classrooms, and if you're signed in with any other ID, just click on the small arrow that you can see. There are three different color icons over there. That means I have three different addresses saved in this particular Google Classroom. You just have to select which with your ITS and MSB Institute account, that is, if you can see that there is there. And if you also go to do, you will be able to see that all this is the pending work, or all the work that has been given to you. It will be shown in the to do, and if you have not submitted something, it will show you that it was when it was due. It will show you under missing. It was due today, it was due yesterday, it is going to be due somewhere in the future. Okay, and whatever you have done, when you go to that, you will see that it is already been done. So very helpful feature. To You can go to do, and also you can go to the notifications. So we'll try something out right now. I'm going to nursery, and there's a small assignment over here that I have to upload. So I have to listen to this first, and it says that फर्जन ऑडियो सुनावी ने हिफ्स करवानो हिफ्स થઈ જાય તો यहाँ એનો recording upload કરવું. So basically what it says that you have to listen to this audio, and after that you see that there is this drawer kind of uh, thing in the Google Classroom. Okay, there's this bottom drawer that goes up and down. Very nice. So you can just pull up the drawer, and when you're ready to upload something, you just have to click on the add attachment button. You click on add attachment, and then you can see that you have number of options. When you click on add attachment, you have number of options. You can upload a PDF and new sheets that I have already explained that new sheets, it means Excel, Microsoft Excel. New slide actually means Microsoft PowerPoint, and new docs means it Microsoft Word file. But this is all by Google. Okay, so you can create something in your phone itself and then upload it. You can take a photo or record a video, or if you have an audio file, that you can click on the file button, and then you can upload. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload an audio file right now. So what I'm going to do, I can either record a video, because it is said that you don't have to record a video, you have to upload a file. So I'm going to click on file, and it's going to show me a number of things that is available on my phone. So I can just search. I can go to my in my inbuilt phone inbuilt memory, and I can just go and search for the file that I have saved. And right now I'm just going to go to downloads, and basically I'm just going to upload one of the files. I'm going to upload this. Okay, I'm going to upload this. I'll just click on this and it is uploading. That is not an audio file though, but that is the way just it is to be done. So it's going to take a little time for depending upon the file size. So now I've uploaded it, pretty easy. Okay, if I want to upload something else, one more file, I can do it again. I can even attach a link, probably a YouTube link or a web browser link or anything over here. I can attach something from my drive directly, okay, from my shared drive or my drive from your Google Drive. You can attach something directly. Also, I can attach a photograph directly. Okay, so I'll show that in a new assignment. So right now, and this has been attached a PNG file, though I had to attach a audio file, but it's one and the same. The process is the same. And after I've done it, you can see that it has been attached. This below the add attachment, there is a black color button which says hand in. I explained that in the web browser tutorial also, that this is very important, that you have to click on hand in button. It means that you have submitted your work and the teacher gets a notification that you have submitted your work. So you have to press on hand in. So this you will get, okay, one attachment will be submitted to this particular assignment that has been created by the teacher. So hand in. Okay, there is a cancel and hand in. I'm going to click on hand in and that's done. Okay, my work is done. See, work submitted. Handed in. It will be shown on the right hand corner. You can see handed in. And just earlier you saw work submitted and I've done my work. Okay, going back and let's see if I have something else. Okay, so I'm going to go to this class 7 Insha, and here you can see that after online classes, our students are required to click a picture of their IMLA and upload it to Google Classroom. If there are one or more page, make a PDF and then upload it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you how to take a picture and upload it. Okay, so I have this I have this small book which I'm going to upload. Okay, so still it says missing. Why it is say missing right now? Because that I am late. Okay, I have not submitted my work on time. I am late, that is why it is saying missing, but still I can do it. Only the teacher will be sent a message or notification that this student has late submitted. The work was submitted late. So what I'm going to do, I'm click on attachment, take a photo. Okay, now I'm taking a photo and that's it. I've taken a photo and I'm okay with it. I'm going to click OK and it's done. It will get attached in a few seconds depending on the file size and your internet speed. Okay, now it is attached. Okay, it is done and I'm going to hand it in and my work is done. It is very simple. It is very simple and it is very easy to attach your work, to complete your work. Okay, and that is done. Now I'll show you how to create a document. So what I'm going to do, there is a new assignment over here, an insha given by the teacher. So I'm going to click on that and that has been assigned. So I have to read this PDF first. Okay, so I'm going to click on the PDF and this is the instructions given by the teacher. Okay, so I'm going to read the PDF. Okay, and then according to that I have to write an essay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to attach and I want to write an essay, so I will go to create new doc. I don't have a docu installed. Okay, so now it is doing it. It is creating a new document for me. Okay, it is opening the document and then I will be able to type something over there. I'll show it to you. Um, let the loading get over. I think my internet is a little bit slow today. No worries. So it's taking a lot of time. Uh, okay, so we're going to do, what we're going to do is we're going to try it one more time. I'm going to go back, and it has attached two of it. I'm going to delete one because there are two of it, so I'm going to remove one. Okay, and I'm going to click on the image, the document file that you can see. Click on that, and right now it is blank because I've not actually written anything. I'm going to click on the edit button, and now you can see that I can type in something. Okay, so I can type something over here. Okay, and I've typed this, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back. Okay, so basically I can, what I can do, I can, if I have another file, I can do that. I can create uh, so things are pretty slow, and I'm going to edit it. So the thing is, I have to install Google Slides or a Google Docs in my phone to actually use it. So it is better if you have these new Google Docs or sheets or slides in your phone, so it will be a lot easier for you to do your work and send your work to the Google Classroom. Other than that, if you have a PowerPoint file or a Microsoft Excel file or a Microsoft Word document or a normal just PDF, you can just do that. Okay, you can just create a PDF from here and you can send it. So it is very simple to upload your work on the Google Classroom. It is not that hard, and you can do it very easily. And if you have any other questions, you can just forward your questions to the helpline number and the help email that has been shared with you all. That's all for from this tutorial. There is nothing else that is left. That's it. Yeah. Thank you very much.